Nestled beside the shore, this rustic two-story beach house radiates charm with every weathered board and sun-faded wall. The structure is kissed by years of salt air and sea breeze, its soft pink walls now a delicate faded hue that blends seamlessly with the coastal palette. Accents of turquoise paint, worn just enough to reveal layers of character, frame the windows and doors, giving the home a lively yet nostalgic personality. The wooden roof, bleached and roughened by time, bears the stories of countless sunny days and passing storms. Above, cascading bougainvillea in vibrant pink bloom tumble freely over balconies and eaves, softening the lines of the house with nature's own artistry. The flowers burst like fireworks against the muted facade, drawing the eye upward, adding a sense of tropical romance. Each window opens wide to let in the breeze, and their turquoise shutters seem to flutter like wings against the walls when the wind passes through. A spacious wooden deck extends from the house, grounded on sun-bleached planks that creak softly underfoot. Lounge chairs, casually arranged, invite long afternoons spent by the water. Just beyond the deck, a narrow turquoise swimming pool sparkles in the sun. Its natural stone lining glints beneath the surface, giving the water an almost gem-like quality. Cool, inviting, and clean against the sandy backdrop. Palm trees sway gently around the property, their fronds casting dappled shadows across the deck and pool. The ground is soft and sandy, warm beneath bare feet, and it carries the scent of sea salt and warm wood. The entire scene is a postcard of tropical serenity, unpolished, sun-drenched, and deeply soulful. This beach house doesn't shout luxury, it whispers character, simplicity, and escape. It is a retreat shaped by the elements, where time slows, where nature and structure are intertwined, and where every corner tells a story written in color, texture, and light.